हेलो लिटिल लर्नर्स, नमस्ते दोस्तों। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं नुपुर और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न विद नुपुर, जहां लर्निंग होती है इजी, फन और फुल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। बच्चों, लुक एट द इमेज। वाओ, आउच, उप्स, ओ नो। डिड यू हियर दीज फनी वर्ड्स? They are small, but they tell us exactly how we feel. Are you excited, surprised, or did something hurt? So, बच्चों, let's discover these amazing emotion words now. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel surprised, sometimes we feel hurt. When we suddenly say words like wow, oops, ouch, or hooray, these special words are called interjections. Interjections are words that shows our feelings or emotions. They are often followed by an exclamation mark because we say them with strong feelings, or a word that shows feelings or emotion. So बच्चों, feelings plus emotions is equals to interjections. Yay! Can you show me your biggest smile? Very nice. When we feel happy or excited, our mouth smiles, our eyes sparkle, and we often say special words like hooray, wow, yay. These happy words are called interjections because they show our feelings. Let's see some examples. Hooray! We won the match. Next, wow! This cake is so yummy. Yay! I got a new toy. Now it's your turn. If your teacher says you got full marks, what will you say, bachcho? That's right. Hooray or yay! Excellent. Whenever we feel happy or excited, we can use words like hooray, wow, and yay, and they are all interjections. Children, now look at these two kids. What happened to them? Look at their faces. Their mouths are open and their eyes are big. They look very surprised. When something unexpected happens, we feel surprised. Suppose suddenly it starts raining. What will you say? Yes, we say, oh, it's raining. Now look at this huge dinosaur. If you suddenly saw such a giant dinosaur, what would you say? That's right. We say, wow, that's a giant dinosaur. So remember, oh, when something unexpected happens. Wow, when we see something amazing. Let's all say together, oh, it's raining. Wow, that's a giant dinosaur. Bachcho, have you ever fallen while playing? Yes. What did you say? Did you say ouch? Or maybe ow? That's right. When something hurts us, we don't first say a long sentence. We quickly say ouch or ow. These are special words called interjections because they show our feelings of pain. Now, let's look at these pictures. This boy fell down and hurt his knee. What did he say? Yes, ouch, I hurt my knee. Now, look at the other side. He touched a sharp pin. What did you think he said? Correct. Oh, that pin is sharp. So remember, happy is equals to yay, surprise is equals to wow, pain is equals to ow. Let's say all them together. Ouch, ow. Excellent, bachcho. Children, look at these pictures carefully. What do you see? This little girl looks sad because her flower has dried. What do you think she is feeling? Yes, sad. So, when something bad happens, we may say alas. Everybody say with me, alas. A-L-A-S. Now, look at the little boy. His favorite toy is broken. How does he feel, bachcho? Yes, sad. So, when something goes wrong, we often say, oh no. Let's all say together, oh no. I am going to explain you the examples now. Alas, the flower has dried. So, the flower is no longer fresh. The girl feels sad. Oh no, my toy is broken. The toy cannot be played with now. The boy feels sad. Now, let's do a quick activity. If your balloon burst, what will you say, bachcho? Very nice. Oh no. Next is, if your ice cream falls on the ground, what will you say? Oh no. Very good. And last is, if your favorite plant dries up, yes, alas. So, bachcho, when we feel sad, we can use these interjections, alas and oh no. Let's say them together one more time, alas and oh no. Children, has this ever happened to you? Have you ever forgotten your homework? Or have you ever accidentally spilled your milk or juice? That's okay. Sometimes everyone makes little mistakes. Look at this boy. He forgot his homework at home. What do you think he said? Yes, oops. Now, look at this girl. She accidentally spilled her juice on the table. What did she say? That's right. Oops. So, whenever we make a mistake or forget something, we often say, oops. Can everyone say it with me? Oops. Very good. So, bachcho, remember, oops is an interjection because it shows how we feel when we make a small mistake or forget something. वाओ बच्चों, तो अब बारी है एक मैजिक फॉर्मूले की. आर यू रेडी टू लर्न अ मैजिक ट्रिक? दिस इज आवर इंटरजेक्शन मैजिक फॉर्मूला. ओके बच्चों, फीलिंग प्लस इमोशन इज इक्वल्स टू interjection. Let's understand it together. When we suddenly feel something inside our heart, like happy, surprised, hurt, excited, or when we make mistake, a special word comes out of our mouth. Let's see. If you see a beautiful rainbow, what will you say? Yes, wow. Let's take another example. If you fall while playing and hurt your knee, what will you say? Correct. Ouch. Next is, if someone gives you a surprise gift, what will you say, bachcho? Yes, very good, excellent. Oh. And if your team wins the match, what will you shout? Hurrah, very good. And next is, if you forget your homework or spill your juice, what will you say, bachcho? That's right. Oops. So remember our magic trick? Feeling plus emotion is equals to interjection. Whenever we suddenly express our feelings, the special words we use are called interjections. Can everyone say it with me? Feeling plus emotion is equals to interjection. Fantastic job everyone. Today we learned about interjections. Let's revise together. Happy is equals to wow. Joy is equals to hooray. Pain, ouch. Surprise, oh, mistake, oops. Remember, interjections are special words that shows our feelings and emotions. Now it's your turn. If I say you got a birthday gift, what will you say, bachcho? Think. Wow, give yourself a big clap. जो अब बारी है एक क्वेश्चन की. टेल मी योर फेवरेट इंटरजेक्शन इन द कमेंट्स. ये आपको कमेंट्स में बताना है. मैं आपका कमेंट ज़रूर पढ़ूंगी बच्चों. एंड इफ़ यू एंजॉयड लर्निंग विद मी, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू लर्न विद दुपुर. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, learning is fun when we learn together. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next class in which we will learn about sentences. So प्यारे बच्चों, तैयार रहे नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए.